I've watched great service providers get ignored lately, and it's not because they're unqualified. It's because buyers have stopped believing the usual claims. Getting hired in 2026 means showing your work. I'm Maggie Patterson. I help experienced service providers land great clients. No endless posting or trend chasing required. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to break down the shifts under the radar right now and give you 3 ways to build trust and land new clients this year. If you're feeling stressed out and thinking it's time to switch things up, take my real life rule quiz below. It's a quick reality check before you burn time on making the wrong changes. Here's the reality. People landing consistent, high quality clients in 2026 understand that trust is currency, and the way they earn it is by being very clear about who they help and the results they deliver. Not because it sounds good, but because buyers are more skeptical than ever. They're no longer asking, do I like this person? They're asking, can this person actually do the thing I need in my situation and deliver me the results I need? They want to see that you understand their problem. They want to understand that you have solved this problem before and that hiring you is a safe bet and a good use of their time and money. So, how do you build that kind of trust and not just attention? First, keep in mind that every single touch point with a potential client matters. Be specific about who you work with and the results you create. Skip the I can help everyone with everything language. Nobody wants to buy from someone who does everything in the kitchen sink. Name the specific problems you solve, your approach, and the outcomes that you know you can stand behind clearly and consistently. Second, you need to show the receipts. You need client stories, concrete wins, before and after content. Even a small specific testimonial goes way further right now than the cleverest tagline. Skeptical buyers are looking for evidence, not hype. Third, you need to show that you've seen this before. When you can talk about patterns and predictable mistakes and what works without the drama, buyers feel like they are in capable hands. They feel safe and secure with you. That will build more trust than any trending audio for a real ever. So here's what to focus on this week if you want to strengthen trust and land the right clients in 2026. Number one, I want you to do an audit of how you show up. Check your website, your outreach, your profiles. Does trust feel thin? Would you hire you? Curate those spots to be more specific. And the more specific you are, the better. Don't hesitate to solve very specific problems for a very specific group of people. Choose one place to go deeper. Instead of doing a little of everything everywhere, pick one platform or community and actually engage. Answer questions, share useful content, give your point of view. Let people see how you think and how you solve problems. I have been hired so many times because people are like, wow, that was a really interesting perspective. I hadn't thought about it that way. Also, gather some fresh proof. Reach out to recent clients for a testimonial or a short story. Share real results with permission. Those small wins go a long way in a very skeptical economy. What is one thing, big or small, that helps you trust someone and do business with them? Is it a result, a vibe, a story? Drop it below. I want the details. So I want you to know this isn't specifically a you problem. It's a pattern I am seeing across the market. Clients are still buying. They are still interested. But the questions are more challenging and decisions often take longer. Where it used to be, it sounds great, let's do it. It's now, can you walk me through how this will work? People want those examples, that context, more reassurance, even when your referrals and your results are strong. The demand is still there, but people are deciding more carefully now, and you have to adjust and evolve. If you're questioning which changes actually make sense right now, take the real life rule quiz. It's free, it takes a couple minutes, and it helps you see what your business can realistically support. So you're not updating tactics or wasting time on things that creates more pressure for you instead of less. The link for it is below. Trust is the name of the game in 2026. But good news is it's a game you can play on your terms. So pick one thing I shared in this video, do it this week, and then share in the comments below how it went for you. I'll see you in the next video.